Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in today's video, we are going to see some job openings from Wipro. So we are going to explore the fresher job openings from Wipro. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Nowadays, new subscribers are coming to the channel. This is always an encouragement to do more and more videos because you know that the channel is not monetized. Okay. So thanks for the support. So let us move on to the video. Okay. Yeah, Wipro careers we are going to explore today. So the first post is production specialist. So this job is posted on 19th of May. Okay. Then let us first explore the production specialist post. Production specialist location is India. Job description also they have given here. So here they are looking for educational qualification B Pharma and M Pharma. You should be having a valid pharmacy license also. Okay. They're not asking any experience or anything. They have given the roles and responsibilities also. Okay. So that is the first post which is for production specialist. Pharmacy related, if you are having a qualification, then you can apply for it. Then next post is associate analyst KYC. The location is Airoli, India. Here the qualification is graduate or PG, that is postgraduate, freshers. Attention to detail, good listening and speaking skills, willing to learn, basic computer knowledge. Very basic things only they are asking. Okay. So any graduate can apply for this post. This is also a very recent post. Now some people comment that these are old updates and all. I'll show you the date. Only then you need to apply. Okay. It is posted on 11th of May. Okay. Next. Only we'll see the May month job updates. Okay. Other job updates also you can see if you scroll down. They are still active. That's why you can find it on the official career site. This is again another production specialist. Location is Hyderabad. Yeah, only basic things they are asking. See, basic written and verbal communication skill, basic communication skills, analytical approach, problem solving approach, then preferred knowledge or experience in internet, credit card, banking, transactional monitoring. Okay, so that will be the actually area of working. That's why they have given it in bold. Okay, so here also any graduate fresher can apply. Okay, now if you scroll down, you can actually find a lot of other openings. These are the openings. If you scroll down, you can find. Okay. Again, this job is posted on 21st of May. Okay. This is again a production specialist post. See, the location is Kolkata. Then the roles and responsibilities very clearly they have given. Process medical claims for health insurance process. Qualification undergraduate, graduate, business or any discipline. Okay. Here another thing they have given us BSc IT, MBA, BE, BTech, BCA candidates are not eligible to apply. Okay. Other graduates should apply. Actually, I'm getting a lot of requests or comments regarding other graduates. So you guys can apply here. Okay. Other than the BE, BTech and other candidates. Okay. This is production specialist for Kolkata. So nowadays, if you see, all these jobs will be from, there is work from home. Okay. But later on, you may have to travel. That is, you may have to relocate to the given location. Now we have seen which are the locations. So now you can work from your home itself, but later on you may have to relocate. So this thing I say in all my videos. Please have a clear idea about this thing. You are now working from the home, but after the corona has settled down, after the COVID has settled down, you may have to relocate. Okay. But some jobs, you know that it will be permanently work from home. Even though the corona has settled down and everything, you will be working from home itself. But you cannot say that thing for these companies. Because we know that all the IT companies, all the IT employees are nowadays working from home. They are not going to the company location or anything. They are working from home itself. So that's why you can expect work from home job for IT companies nowadays. Okay. So that's all about the post details. We have seen certain posts, and if you scroll down, you can see other job openings are also there. If you are interested, you can try for them. Okay. Now, in order to apply, what you have to do is, along with each post, you can see there is an apply now icon. You have to click on that icon and you have to apply to that post. Okay. And talking about the selection process, we know that these posts, they are not asking any years of experience. We have seen the notification. There is no year of experience given, right? So this will be fresher post. And for the freshers post, there will be various stages of selection. We know that they will be conducting an aptitude test, online aptitude examination will be there. In that, they will be analyzing your problem solving skill, your analytical thinking, your verbal knowledge, everything they will be testing. Then there will be group discussion. Now you cannot say that group discussion will be there for 100% because of this COVID situation. But anyway, you have to expect that also. Then there will be technical interview, and then there will be HR interview. Talking about the salary or your pay scale, you will get to know during your HR rounds probably. Okay. So that will be the various stages of selection. So here there is no age limit given, and also there is no particular year of pass out they are asking for. So anybody can try for this post. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all about the job update from Wipro. Thanks for the support. Please to keep supporting. That is the only encouragement to do videos. So if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.